everyone, I'm RJ Manawa. We're here at RedFest 2026, the Northeast Media Campaign, and I'm standing next to Lalremruata, the multi-talented Lalremruata. Hello, Lalremruata.
Hello, RJ Manawa.
So nice to meet you.
You too.
So I heard during soundcheck that you're gonna perform a Kasi number on the main stage. How is your preparation for this so far?
Well, it's not just Kasi, all of the Seven Sisters, all of the states. The preparation, it was not that much. Like, I listened to it twice, I think, and then I try to remember the melody, and then I look at the lyrics, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
It's quite simple.
All right, A for effort, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. And also, you're somebody who can sing in such a high pitch, and you're such a great singer, by the way. So tell us a little bit more about how you take care of your voice.
Well, first of all, I was raised by Aretha Franklin, I would say, and Stevie Wonder.
The greats.
Yeah,
The
I
greats.
listen to them all the time, and lately my obsession is Demi Lovato.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, you can tell, right?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, so sometimes I mimic them. I try to hit their notes. So I practice and do some exercises.
Okay.
And I think that's how I got it.
Okay, you have such a great reference, which makes you such a good singer, by the way.
Thank you.
And also, you're a part of the Carnival Cruise Line, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, you entertain the masses over there. How's your experience there?
It was amazing because my last contract was based in Miami, so most of the people there are black people. So I love their music.
Oh yes.
Like it's Motown, R&B, Motown 80s. Those are the songs that I love. So it's pretty easy for me, I will say that.
Yeah, you grew up listening to
oh
it
yeah,
anyways.
true. So yeah, I enjoyed it so much, and there's a lot of pressure too because I'm the second ever Indian to perform there and the first
Wow.
ever Mizo.
Yeah.
Maybe Northeast too, I'm not sure, but I think I am. Yeah.
Do you ever let the pressure get to you? Because the pressure must be so high.
Sometimes, yes, but once I started opening my mouth, once I started singing, I think everything's blank. So
Oh,
it's
wow.
just like that.
Yes, let the music take you over.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
True.
All right, so we're here at RedFest. Let's talk a little bit about HIV awareness.
I think at this point we all know what HIV is.
Yeah.
And I think it's very important to know your status and prevent yourself from spreading the virus. And yeah, that's it.
Yes, there's hope, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Lalremruata.
তুমি জানো হোসালে মরমরে মায়া নাই জেগে নাম তাবুলিং জেগে নেগে গে নুম শিবে জেগে নাম তাবু থাম জেগে কই চেরো এসে নাম জেগে নাই জেগে নাম তাবুলিং জেগে নেগে গে নুম শিবে Satiri basai maya mikao jagamimi Satiri basai laya Satiri basai maya mikao jagami Hai kwa ta yani dudang ai lo ten kalena zaki nai lai aswa lung le na loa e ke zong mo ma ten le ke zua lo
Ngày lai kìa ngô
nai lai aswa lung le na loa e ke zong mo ma ten le ke zua lo nai lai aswa lung le na loa e ke zong mo ma ten le ke zua lo